Today is Tuesday and it's Rumor Day. Let's talk about what's new, what we think we know, and what's been confirmed. We're starting right now. Hi, my name is Arturo from AppleIsComing.com. Welcome to another video. If this is your first time here and you want to stay up to date with Apple news, rumors, unboxing, and from time to time you're doing crazy things with Apple stuff, start now by subscribing below. Click the bell so you don't miss anything. Okay, first let's take a look at what's new with a little disclaimer. I don't claim to have a magic ball or be able to read the future, even though I researched this information based on very famous leakers such as Loves to Dream, Minchi Kuo. Please take this video for entertainment purposes only. It's okay to have rumors a year away from the product releases because the production needs to start ahead of time. Otherwise, it wouldn't meet the deadlines. With that out of the way, the first sort of new rumor is that Apple seems to be planning to implement OLED displays with low power LTPO technology, leading the way to 120 Hz refresh rates. This rumor is according to Korea website Dialect. Okay, let me translate all that. Imagine your phone screen displaying the video way faster while being even more power efficient than it is right now. This technology will be like switching pixels on and off, like if you had a switch. It's just gonna do it way faster and more power efficient. In case you care, the main suppliers are still rumored to be Samsung and LG. Something we know for sure is that the iPad that you have has this technology already implemented, so it will make sense for Apple to include it into the iPhone 13. For those of you with iPad, this feature is called ProMotion. Honestly, I didn't even know it exists until I researched this. Anyway, now let's move on to what we know for sure. And I want to be very transparent here, and there's no confirmed rumor right now. So if you hear someone saying, hey, this feature is gonna be on the iPhone 13, no, we're in 2020, everything is a rumor right now. People think a lot of stuff and are predicting based on a couple of puzzles that they put together. There's nothing confirmed for sure that it's gonna be on the iPhone 13. So let's move on to what we think it's gonna be on the iPhone 13. Release dates, probably the most important question above all. Many are saying the iPhone will be released mid-year 2021. I will bet my Mac and this channel that the iPhone 13 will be launched in 2021. The economic crisis and pandemic is not done yet and will get worse. There is no way that they can speed up the production in the current circumstances. Rumors suggest that Apple will reveal 4 iPhone models with a camera improvement, perhaps one model with no ports at all. This is good. Oh, and by the way, if you're enjoying this video, give it a big thumbs up. And make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit that bell notification so you know when I release a new video. It'll bring you good luck for 2021. Alright, let's talk about the potential features of the iPhone 13. So, it will have 4 sizes. Again, all these are rumors, nothing is confirmed. Just want to clarify that. So, 4 sizes, it will be similar to the iPhone 12 lineup in design. We think that Apple might include one portless model dropping the lightning connector, so there will be no way to connect this model with the cable. You'll need a wireless charger. This is another move to sell more products, I guess. Remember, Apple is a company and their goal is to sell more. Now, something we might see is a MagSafe for accessories and charging in the first iteration of this model, so people may get used to the change. Because if there's no cable, people are gonna be like, okay, what do I do now? Like, how do I charge it? As mentioned at the beginning, it might have 120 Hz ProMotion display, potentially 4 camera array plus LiDAR. Okay, the notch that everyone hates, love, we're a variety of people, we all have different tastes. The notch. So there are no comments, no rumors on the notch being removed. However, Apple might have a smaller height on the notch, so it might blend better on the iPhone, but there's no rumor that they will be removing it anytime soon. As far as the Touch ID, in the display or power button, Samsung style, you know, when you have the screen and then you put here your finger on the screen. So there are rumors that Apple wants to do that. So this would be an under-screen Touch ID. Now, I instead think we will not see this change. I rationalize things and this change makes no sense to me, even though I would love to see this change happen. Trust me, I would love it. So regarding the design, in general, with the introduction of the iPhone 12 flat design, we have clear that Apple is not going to change its design for the next year unless more than 50% of people start complaining, which is not going to be the case. I personally don't like the flat design. My favorite iPhone is the iPhone X. I love the design, like the curvy edges and everything. I just love it. But I have now the iPhone 13. Imagine that paradox. Anyway, they are not going to change the design of the flat iPhones for the 13 model. They will continue that trend for a little longer. So for the general design, we may only see some changes in the camera. They may put a camera on top of the other, who knows, and the notch. They may reduce the height a little bit, but that's about it. So with love and respect, I truly hope you found this video useful. Please consider subscribing. I wish you great holidays, and until next time.